Cable management is really important. You always want to take care of all the cables that you have, and you're going to have a lot of them. You're going to have audio cables and you're going to have extension cords. First with the audio cable is when you're done doing a audio spot, you don't want to take the cable and just tightly round it around the microphone like this. That's really bad for the cable itself. There's little tiny wires in there that will break. The next time that you go out to film something, your audio will not work. Cables itself have memory. They want to go back to the same formation that they had before. So when you're done, you want to do nice little coils around. I kind of twist my fingers as I coil like this. When I'm done, I take a cable tie and I place it onto my cable. And now my cable is back to its original memory and it will work the next time. Extension cords, same way. This is a really good coiled extension cord with a cable tie. One thing you want to do with extension cords, some people tend to want to coil a cord like this. It's really bad for the cable itself. Again, you want to have the cable go back to its original memory state. So that it also lays flat on the ground. And sometimes it takes a little bit of time to coil it up, but if you feel it just right, twist it just right, you can get the coils on there. Cable tie it up, just like that. Great for storage, and if you treat your equipment like this, you'll be able to use these cords again and again. We are always ready to assist you and help your media program grow. At any time you need assistance or have questions, please contact through our website at secctv.org or call 916-920-1006. My name is Trevor, and thanks for watching.